Survival of the fittest is a fundamental concept in the theory of evolution, which was popularized by Charles Darwin in the 19th century. This concept encapsulates the essence of natural selection, the mechanism through which species gradually evolve and adapt to their environments over time. At its core, the idea behind survival of the fittest is that in the natural world, not all individuals within a population are equal in terms of their ability to thrive and reproduce. Instead, there is a considerable diversity of traits and characteristics among members of a species. These traits can include physical attributes, behaviors, reproductive strategies, and more. Within any given environment, organisms face various challenges and constraints. Resources like food, water, shelter, and mates are often limited, leading to competition among individuals for access to these resources. Some individuals possess traits or qualities that make them better suited to this competition. These advantageous traits may enhance an organism's ability to attain resources, avoid predators, or secure mates. Natural selection operates as a filter, favoring those individuals with traits that increase their chances of survival and reproduction in their specific environment. These individuals are said to have higher fitness because they are more successful at passing their genes on to the next generation. Over time, the frequency of these advantageous traits increases within the population, while less advantageous traits may decrease or be eliminated altogether. It's crucial to understand that fitness in this context does not necessarily equate to physical strength or superiority. Instead, it's a measure of an organism's ability to contribute its genes to future generations. Fitness can manifest in various ways. For instance, a bird with a beak shape that is well suited for cracking tough seeds in its habitat may be considered more fit in that context. Likewise, a prey animal with cryptic coloration or a predator with keen hunting instincts may also exhibit high fitness. The concept of survival of the fittest also takes into account the dynamic nature of environments. Environments are not constant. They can change over time due to factors like climate shifts, geological events, and the arrival of new species. In response to such changes, organisms must adapt or evolve to maintain their fitness. This adaptation can occur through the accumulation of small genetic changes over generations, leading to the development of new traits that better suit the altered environment. While survival of the fittest is a central concept in evolutionary biology, it's essential to note that it does not imply a predetermined goal or an inherent purpose. Evolution is a natural process driven by the interactions between organisms and their environments, resulting in the gradual change and diversification of species over time. In conclusion, survival of the fittest represents the core principle of natural selection, where individuals with advantageous traits are more likely to thrive and reproduce, passing on those traits to subsequent generations. This concept underscores the dynamic and adaptive nature of life on Earth, providing a framework for understanding the diversity and complexity of the natural world.